How to sign up for Solflare Wallet. Let's go ahead and start the video. To open up a Solflare Wallet account, you can just go ahead and open Solflare and you will see this home screen. Go ahead and tap on Create New Wallet. Go ahead and read this down and just go ahead and tap on the screen until you see Continue. Tap on Continue and you can just go ahead and see your code. You can write it down, you can copy it, and you can also click Skip for now as well. So once you do this, you can create a code for yourself. Once you create your code, you can just go ahead and confirm your passcode once again, wait for a while, and you can also enable biometrics. So go ahead and tap on Enable, enter your fingerprint, and you can see the next thing is notifications. You can just enable notifications or else just skip for now. And as you can see, you have easily created your Solflare Wallet account. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.